Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic differentiation. What is the meaning of differentiation? The process of finding differential coefficient is called differentiation. How to calculate the differential coefficient? See, let us consider, let f of x be a continuous function on R, that is y is equal to f of x be a function. After taking of y is equal to f of x and y are two variables. So in x variable, let delta x be a small change in x, and the corresponding change in y be delta y. Whenever it changes from y to delta y, this y value will becomes y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. This y value we are taking this side. That implies delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus y. Y value equal to f of x. It implies that delta y equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. After this step, divide on both sides by delta x. It will becomes delta y by delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Are you able to understand? Delta y by delta x equal to this one. Now taking delta x tends to 0 on both sides to the above, it will becomes limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. If this limit exists, then limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is called dy by dx. Limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. This dy by dx is called differential operator, differential coefficient. Dy by dx is called differential coefficient. The process of finding differential coefficient is called differentiation. Here dy by dx. Dy by dx is called differential coefficient. Differential coefficient. In this, dy by dx means it is not the ratio of dy and dx. The meaning of dy by dx is d by dx of the function y. How to read is derivative of the function y with respect to x. Here dx indicates with respect to x. Here d represents derivative. y represents a function. A function. So derivative of the function y with respect to x. In other words, this differential coefficient can be read as other name dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is called first principle of differentiation. This is called first principle of differentiation. It's very important in intermediate. Based on this concept, first principle of differentiation concept, we have different functions and their derivatives I am going to calculate in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my videos.